What an absolutely beautiful morning. Come spend a few hours out on the lake. Let's see if we can't make it happen, y'all. Y'all know the deal. We after them there crappie. Let's see if we can figure them out real quick. It's gonna be a quick trip today, but let's get at them. One thing to remember on these SI units is, depending on what day you go out, you will have to adjust your sensitivity and possibly your contrast. Those are two settings that you really need to get to know on your SI units. I'm going to share with you guys some of the structure that I look for, that I always fish. You know, I always mention small and I always mention stumps. This is some of what I look for. Let's see what it looked like, y'all. Out here in the middle of no man's land. That one look empty. Oh, look at the big marks on that thing. Well, I know that there ain't no sense in stopping there. You see some marks that big old catfish or something, there ain't gonna be no, there may be some crappie out here, but we're gonna mosey on. See, I got my marker on the ready. That always helps. And I don't know if they're probably not gonna be that deep. Alright, we're gonna start right there. See what happens. Guys, we got to get in the habit of wearing these lanyards, because it is the law right now, and I know I forget a lot about it, but it's like I said, it is the law. So y'all help me remember, and I'll mention it to help you guys remember. Got to be safe and got to follow the law. Man, that sun is some kind of bright, I tell you. Hopefully it got the crappie in a feeding mood. That was a full moon last night, but we're not gonna let that deter us from getting these jokers a try this morning. Let's try to make it happen. Ooh, I can barely even see my marker. You know that's bad. One thing that I just noticed, y'all, I know y'all probably can't see that, but I'm gonna try to show it to you anyway. That old moon is still up there, so I don't know. Might have to start doing me some night fishing. Any of you guys doing some night fishing already? If you are, let me know how it's going. So I've got a new camera working that I'm working with right here, and let me tell you, I've been out on about 3 trips, and I hadn't got this thing adjusted just right yet. It's still pointing way up in the sky. Y'all got to deal with it on this video. Hopefully my next trip, it'll be a lot better. About time. Whew. Thought I was gonna be Peter Road, y'all. That fish there is like a 3-pounder to me, and he thumped fire from it. Yes, sir. Make sure my camera angle's good, and I think he'll do. He thumped it like he wanted it, and he is 11 inches. Oh yeah. Whew. Yes, sir. Never give up, y'all. Yeah, that's a special one right there. The search is on. Yes, sir. Nice one. Man, I'm telling you, this pile is so small that it is unreal. Force fed that joker. That fish is so stuffed.